guys, so here today and I'm going to be showing you how to make some slime. So, this is the slime tutorial. First thing you'll need to do, put some glue in the bottle, in this.
You can add some color dye.
You can add color dye, but I'm making white slime. Next thing you do, take some baking soda in some hot water and you mix it up really good. We've already did that. And then you just pour it inside this. I've already did that too.
Yep.
Then you want to take a nice clean spoon, stir it up really, really well.
Until you don't see anything.
Until it's like liquid. But if you add color, you want to stir it up before you. So you'll put the glue in, you'll add color. Quiet, you guys. No, Randy.
I'm making an alien.
No. So if you add color, you just color the glue, and then you put in the baking soda mixed with hot water. Then after that, you want to grab some contact solution, put a few drops in, stir it up. It depends on how many drops you get. The more drops you get, the more stickier it's going to be. So, and this is only one way. I know there's another way with laundry detergent. And I also did a way, not on YouTube though, because with my friends and she didn't want to be on YouTube. Without using contact solution, you used, what's it called? Like, powder stuff. Baby powder, I think it was. I'm not sure.
Probably.
It was white powder though. And it was like,
and now we have some
white slime here.
Glue, white.
It's called glue slime.
The kind of glue we are using is J-O-T.
It's not. You can use any kind of.
You can use
glue.
Elmer's glue. Elmer's glue is
Works
whiter.
the best.
And it's a lot whiter.
Yeah, but it's like $5 where we live. It's like $5 where we go to. We go to Kmart
Dennis, if you're
and Walmart and
this,
stuff.
I'm your best fan.
Randy Dennis is not watching this.
Why would he watch this?
Exactly.
He's Dennis Daily. He makes videos daily. Shut up, Rick. His name is Dennis. He makes.
Check out Dennis Daily, guys. The boys are crazy about him.
He makes videos daily.
No, his name is Dennis Daily.
His name is Dennis. His channel is Dennis Daily.
No, his last name's Daily.
No.
Yes, he makes. He said it on one of his videos.
Quiet, Randy. You're lying.
No,
Quiet.
If you watch a Dennis, please put in the comments, like, is his name just Dennis or
Dennis Daily.
or is
His
it
last name is
Dennis?
not Daily.
Yes,
It's not. No one's last name.
Quiet. Yeah, huh? There is people last name Daily. Okay, guys. So here it is, our white slime.
White slime. Randy,
It
don't.
looks orange in the sunlight-ish. But for you guys, it looks white. But it's in the sunlight right now, and it looks orange. So, yeah, I was saying,
Randy is playing with the slime again, Zoe.
Randy, don't play with the slime.
What?
You're not going to get none if you don't stop playing with
One,
it.
I'm making an agent symbol.
Okay, so, yeah. And, enter in the giveaway. The only thing you have to do, literally, is...
Share.
No, you don't share this video at all. You don't need to share this, guys. All you need to do, comment down below, I want slime, subscribe, and then also comment, I subscribed, ring that notifications bell, then like the video. That's it. And then you'll get entered.
To never miss a Zoe's Vlogs video, ring that bell.
Yeah. And you'll get one of these slimes, and you get to pick what color too if you win. So yeah. Hope you guys followed my instructions, and I can't wait to see one of you guys win these awesome slimes. So we're not gonna give you the bad ones. We're only gonna give you a few of the good ones, like 1 or 2.
I'm keeping my red.
If that's the best one, then we're giving it away, Ricky.
That is. I'll just go like this. I think I lasso. Senior.
They're not even seniors though.
Ricky, look. Lasso. Oh, I think I lasso.
Okay,
myself.
so bye guys. Have a nice
you
day.
later.
Hope you like this video.
See you in the next video.
Subscribe, ring that
See you
notification bell, like this video, and then if you want to win, comment. Bye.